Once upon a time, in a lush jungle, animals thrived around a sparkling watering hole, their laughter echoing in the trees. But one year the sun blazed down and the watering hole began to shrink, filling the animals with worry. Benny the elephant, gentle and wise, called a meeting. "Friends," he said, "we need to find a new source of water." Lina the leopard, courageous and swift, asked where they could look. A wise old boggart, the tortoise, spoke up, recalling the tales of a hidden waterfall deep in the jungle. Despite their fears, the animals decided to work together, forming a team. Benny would lead, Lina would scout, and Lila, the parrot, would keep watch from the above. They embarked on their adventure, facing thick vines and steep hills. At times, despair threatened to overcome them. One evening, while resting under a banyan tree, Benny reminded them of their purpose. Suddenly, they encountered a small rabbit named Remy, who had once lived near the waterfall. Excited, they welcomed him to join their quest. Days passed, filled with hardships, but they shared stories around campfires, fueling their resolve to continue. Finally, they reached the foot of majestic mountain, and there it was, the shimmering waterfall cascading into a clear blue pool. "Hooray!" cheered Lila. They splashed joyful and drank deeply, their hearts swelling with happiness. Benny declared, "We must share this aura with everyone." With renewed joy, they returned to the jungle, guiding others to the waterfall.